Good morning, everyone. So every single morning I start the day off with a big bowl of fruit and yogurt. So today I had some dairy-free coconut yogurt, mango, papaya, blueberries, banana, and then I added some cacao nibs and some cacao nibs and cinnamon on top, and then I have my lemon water and my regular water, and I'm gonna just eat this and move on with my morning. So I am just writing out my to-do list and preparing what I need to do today. So I've written out that to-do list, and then in my Google Calendar I just write out the other things that I need to get done today. Google Calendar is great, so it keeps you nice and organized, and it just keeps track of everything. So I literally put my whole life into the Google Calendar and then separate it by color coding it. So I'm just writing out what I have to do work-wise today, not necessarily just like day-to-day. So like Wednesday, Thursday I wrote out what I had to do day-to-day, but today I'm just organizing what I need to do for the workday. Okay, so now I'm just making some breakfast. So I got this bread yesterday and it's my first time trying it. So it is a gluten-free sourdough bread. It's also free of all of these things and it's vegan, and yeah, so I just thought I would try this since I am gluten and dairy free. So I just have one slice of that with some avocado, and then I made 2 scrambled eggs, so I'm just gonna put that on top real quick. And I also put this vegan butter under the avocado. Egg on top. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper. Yum. And I'm gonna add a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. And voila, that is breakfast.